Hey guys, so oh my god, this lighting. So we're finna get ready, start the day. I'm just vlogging today. I need to get this house in order because it's low-key a little bit of a mess. I need to make the bed, tidy up the living room. I need to drop some stuff off at the Goodwill, and then I also need to take my son to his hearing appointment just to check his ears out. And yeah, hopefully go to Ross, maybe find a couple of things. So let's get this vlog started. Hey Siri, play Encanto soundtrack.
Now playing Encanto.
Hey Siri, stop. Ooh. All right, so we have made the bed. I need to hang up this. Am I breathing hard? No. Yeah, a little bit. So, y'all, my husband has started like snoring in his age. Where's the sun? My husband has started snoring, and so I tried these deep sleep earplugs. Trash. Returning them to Amazon. Something else. I forgot how hard vlogging is, but like I was saying, I tried those earplugs. They're trash. Returning them to Amazon. Please leave some recommendations because I usually wear my headphones, either my Beats or my AirPods, but nobody wants to do that like every night. I just have some dirty clothes that I need to put in the laundry hamper. And am I the only one that literally has like cups? I know it's low-key embarrassing, but I drank a lot of water and sparkling water, and then I just end up leaving it there. So let me go ahead and get that taken care of. Y'all, it's like, okay, so my son's in the back seat. He's watching his cartoons. We just got out of his hearing appointment, and he failed his hearing test in both ears. And so now he has to be referred to a hearing ENT or ear doctor. They're pretty quick with referrals, so it shouldn't take too long. Like, I'm just trying to be like, I'm being positive about it. He's a healthy kid. This may explain a lot of these speech delays. Of course, if he can hear for sure, but he's not getting the best quality or the full range of hearing. I don't know. I haven't done any research about this, but I'm not stressed out about it. I'm just looking forward to what the ENT ear doctor says, and you know what we can do to improve it, because I mean there's so many advancements now. I mean, of course he's not the only child. It was another kid that got a hearing test right before him, and I think one of his ears was out. I don't know why they did that kid's hearing test in public, but we went to the back of the room. But I just wanted to share those results with y'all. Again, this channel is a hodgepodge of everything, so if you are in a similar situation, please let me know what you did, what recommendations that you have. He does go to speech therapy. He did say words when he was younger and then kind of had a regression, and so we're just working on that. And I'm so happy that his speech therapist did, you know, say, hey, you may want to go get his, you know, hearing tested. So I'm glad she did recommend that, because, you know, we would have never known. And it's sad that a lot of people don't get their kids checked, or, you know, just like, oh, they'll be okay, they'll outgrow this, they'll outgrow that, when sometimes there is a legitimate medical issue that needs to be addressed. And why would you hinder your child's advancement because of any kind of embarrassment or any kind of shame that may be associated with, you know, your child? So I don't have any of that. I am open to recommendations, blessings, prayers, all that good stuff. I'm gonna turn the AC on now because it is super hot. And I did get him early from school. I'm on a break from lunch for work right now, so I'm really like seeing if I want to go back to work. For the rest of the day, just use PTO. I'm probably gonna just use PTO because there's only so much more time left in the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I think I'm gonna go to Ross or something, do some retail therapy, and then probably pick up some like Chick-fil-A or something for him for lunch, because I think I picked him up during nap time, and they usually eat lunch or something after nap time. So okay. Alright, so this is what we got. Got a new calendar, super cute, for 2022. Oh, by a black designer, Stormy Nesbitt. You can see. And so once I kind of clean up, tidy up my office, I'll give you guys a little look around. So I got that. And then I got this acrylic okay, I got this acrylic lap desk, which I'm not going to use it for a lap desk. I'm going to try to put my Mac on top of it. Hopefully it's not too tall. But it was $34.99. I got this from the Home Goods / Marshall place. It's kind of bendy, but it has like these glitter flakes in it. And the calendar I got was $6.99. And then I also got this little acrylic set too, to put my pens, pencils, and other little Cricut tools in that I use. So this is kind of like a before. Quick overview of my office corner. This is my corner. We have our day bed over there, and then that's my husband's corner. But we're just focusing on this, so let's tidy this up. this is what it's looking like right now. Cleared the books off of here because I got rid of a bookshelf and I don't have anywhere to put it, so I put it in Avery's closet. I'm gonna take this back. I know it's a lap desk, but if it was like half the size, it could work. But yeah, so since I'm taking that back, I'm also gonna take the pencil holder back. And I'm just gonna keep the one that I had already, which is just a Kate Spade one that matches my stapler when I have to do work for my job. I did keep this book out. Somebody gave this to me years ago. I never read it, so I'm gonna try to read that. And then, you know, the good book. And then I'm keeping the calendar. I love it. My birthday is in September, and so let's see. You know what? I can show y'all when we get there. So this is what it's looking like for February. Alright, so that's it for today. I had to change out of that sweatshirt because it was super hot. And we're gonna get some work done. Stop messing with mommy stuff. I'm messing with mommy stuff. Stop messing with mommy stuff. Give me them fingers. Give me them fingers.